But listen to me carefully. We are not the generation that gives up. We are the generation that stands tall and says, no matter what the world offers, my iman is Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent, the one who created everything from nothing, the one who fashioned the heavens and the earth with perfection, the one who gives life and death, the one whose knowledge surrounds everything that was, everything that is, and everything that will ever be. Honorable chief guests, respected teachers, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed us with the greatest gift, the gift of Iman. Iman, the light in our hearts, the key to Jannah, and the shield against the fire. But today, we live in a time that our beloved Prophet ﷺ warned us about. A time when holding on to your faith feels like holding a burning coal. A time when haram has become easy and halal looks difficult and strange. A time when scrolling on the phones feels lighter than opening the Quran. A time when people likes, chase, and followers but forget the one who gives life and death, Allah. This is the age of fitna. Fitna everywhere, on our screens, in our schools, and even in our hearts. Fitna that tries to pull us away from our Allah. But listen to me carefully. We are not the generation that gives up. We are the generation that stands tall and says, no matter what the world offers, my iman is not for sale, because our iman is our identity. Our iman is our honor, and our iman is our ticket to Jannah. But how do we protect this precious treasure in such a storm? The first key is to hold tight the Quran. Quran is not just for Ramadan. It's for every single day. It's not just for recitation. It's for transformation. When we open the Quran and read it by our heart, it gives light when the word gives darkness. It gives peace when the word gives stress. So recite the Quran, love the Quran, and live the Quran. The second key is guard your salah. Never let a single salah slip away. Because my brothers, salah is not a duty. It's a lifeline. When the word becomes heavy, fall into sajda. When you feel lost, talk to your Lord. Because every sajda whispers to Almighty Allah, Ya Allah, protect my heart and protect my iman. My brothers, protect your salah and your salah will protect you. The third key is never stop making dua. Even the Prophet ﷺ, the most guided of all, used to say, O turners of the heart, keep my heart firm upon your religion. If he needed that dua, then what about us? My brothers, when the world runs towards sin, you run towards salah. When the people chase fame, you chase forgiveness. When people forget Allah, you remember Him. Because the fire of fitna is burning all around us, but the light of Iman will always burn brighter. Remember, the world will fade, the trends will die, the fame will vanish, but your faith, your love for Allah, your Quran, and your Salah, they will remain forever. So rise, O youth of Islam, stand firm upon your religion. Lost anything, but never lost your faith. Thank you so much for listening attentively and giving me your important time. Assalam.